hanger porch with Schweiss hydraulic door. Dynamic Garage Door has been designing discrete garage doors which blend right in with the side of your house. You're not stuck with this modern style. They also make vintage wooden models if your house has a more traditional style on the exterior. Now this is a bit unconventional. Made by, you guessed it, Schweiss. This bifolding hidden door is definitely an eye-catching origami style design. This is good for people who have tall vehicles such as motorhomes and RVs. The practicality seems limited unless the exterior of your house's consistency is important to you or your HOA. Nonetheless, it's awesome to look at as it opens and closes. Check out this manufacturer, which is making doors hidden in discreet ways around the house. Under the stairs, behind a bookcase, or blending in with the wall are methods being used currently. The door is very thick and reinforced for safety. This makes for very good hidden panic rooms. This reminds me of some of the ways we have seen Batman hide the entrance to his Batcave. Speaking of Batman, he has always been known to have creative ways to get his Batmobile back to the cave. These secret hidden driveways are perfect real-life examples of that. Some are hidden under the lawns or blend in under other roadways. They cover the tops of the ramp in any material in order to blend them in with their surroundings. These are great if you have a checkbook the size of Bruce Wayne's. Check out how this man hid his basement door. It blends in perfectly among the floorboards. He reports that this was made using only materials that he found at Harbor Freight. That means something like this would be far more attainable to us than some of these superhero-sized investments. Obviously, the hinges tend to give this one away, but I think it's awesome that this guy managed to build this pretty convincingly using just his own hands and some affordable tools and parts. Big props to you. I'm sure you're inspiring lots of others who want to create secret rooms in their house. Murphy Door has designed these awesome storybook-style hidden bookcase doors. This reminds me of the Chronicles of Narnia. I would have killed for this when I was a kid. You can adjust the shelves and it also holds up to 300 pounds. For just $1,000, you can get your own. However, for a little more money, they will create a custom design for you to match the interior appearance of your home. Check this out. Bet you didn't think that was a garage door. The hanger is 45 feet wide and 15 feet tall. Daniel Shaw created it using equipment from Schweiss Door Company. A massive hydraulic system opens this huge door so he can fit his vehicles inside with ease. This building also has a bedroom with a walk-in closet as well as 3 bathrooms. The whole thing is insulated to make it comfortable. Don't rush to the phone to order something like this unless you want to shell out a volume of cash. This particular door costs approximately $225,000 to build. Definitely cool, but not very affordable. Here's another door created by Schweiss. This lake house has a door hidden on the exterior of the house and was additionally designed to allow storage for an ATV. It has since been repurposed as a secret entrance to the recreational room. It's 5 by 7 feet and also operated via hydraulics. It can be opened and closed with a remote, which would be very nice for letting people in without standing up. They hid the hydraulic pump in the attic, so you can't even see it from in the rec room. Anyone want a panic room? Once you rotate these panels, there's a huge steel door with an electronic keypad. It looks like a giant gun safe, but it's actually the door to a hidden safe room. Funny enough, this person has an actual gun safe inside. But you can put whatever you want in yours. Be it food, supplies, water, or anything you want to hide from unwanted visitors in your house.